Hey, Tallahassee ground, good evening. Cessna 810 Whiskey is at Millionaire with November. We're going to be dropping some SoCom Paracommandos over Doak Campbell Stadium this evening. We have a waiver for that. And they'll be 5,500 feet, and we are ready to taxi.
Cessna 10 Whiskey, roger, maintain VFR at or below 3, correction, maintain VFR at or below 3,000 till advised. Departure frequency will be with me, 118.7, squawk 0225.
All right, VFR at or below 3,000 televised, departure with you 118.7 and squawk 0225 for 810 Whiskey.
Cessna 10 Whiskey, you said you're ready to taxi?
Affirmative.
Would you like 18 or 27? I'm sorry, 9 or 18. Winds are 12010.
You know what, we'll take runway 9er for 810 Whiskey.
Cessna 10 Whiskey, roger, runway 9er, taxi via Bravo 8, Bravo 9er.
Bravo 8, Bravo 9er to 9er, 810 Whiskey. Tower Cessna 810 Whiskey's holding short, runway 9er at Bravo 9, ready for departure.
Cessna 810 Whiskey, Tallahassee Tower, roger, runway 9er, clear for takeoff, wind 1308.
Runway 9er, clear for takeoff, 810 Whiskey.
Cessna 10 Whiskey, your radar contact 1 mile east, Tallahassee Airport, altitude indicated 600. You can proceed on course, advise prior to your jump.
On course, we'll advise prior to jump, 810 Whiskey.
target, hot target, hot target.
Yeah, Tallahassee Tower, Cessna 810 Whiskey, drop complete, then I'm returning to Quincy.
Number 10 Whiskey, roger, maintain VFR, and there is traffic about, I don't know, make it 1.5 miles north-northwest of Tallahassee Airport, inbound for runway 18.
Roger, we'll be looking for that traffic, and we're direct Quincy, 810 Whiskey.
Roger, currently that traffic's at 2,000.
Roger. Quincy traffic, Cessna 810 Whiskey, face to final turn, full stop, 14 Quincy.